myself Sunil Ramakrishna. This is the next part of the language. So one person told that like this basically stuff basically are connected. But one person told that real में ऐसा है क्या? It's real basically like this stuff basically are connected. 100% basically stuff basically are connected like this only. Sports group basically have full authority because otherwise basically that child basically might not have got to HIV/AIDS marriage. That means basically sports group have full control. They have full control basically. If BJP is created, that means basically they have also basically international group basically. 100% they have the international group basically. They are connected with American governments because America is that country basically who have the control of these 200 crore people basically. Why? AI database. What the 100 200 crore people is going to do, they have the data. That means you can't that means basically whatever government basically comes into the India basically, they have to listen America basically. Otherwise basically America will not give the data basically. So in basically America basically is the future data basically. They are giving the future data of each and every people basically, and they basically takes money also basically from that because AI basically is earning how much basically. They are basically earning more than 100 crore, 200 crore, sorry, 50,000, 60,000 crore. So it's a huge income. It's a huge income. So next video series.